Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. We're doing another recipe today. These are the ingredients that you will need. It's super simple, super easy, and super delicious. So let's get started. This is a little tip I use whenever I'm using my blender. I'll add water to it just a little bit, shake it up, and then add the remaining to my bowl. I find that it makes the consistency of all of my sauces and soups perfect. And we're all finished. I garnished mine with a little bit of those caramelized red onions, some red pepper flakes, and some tarragon. There's also some coconut milk around the edges. That was for my Pinterest pictures, so I got a little fancy. But anyway, it was super delicious. My son was obsessed with it, so let me know if you give it a try. But that's it. I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.